If you're looking to automate lead scoring in Salesflare, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to efficiently use Salesflare to not only score your leads automatically, but also streamline your sales process for better results. Stay tuned because we'll dive into how you can boost your workflow with this powerful tool, and I'll show you how to get started for free with some exclusive bonuses. Salesflare is an intuitive CRM designed to automate a lot of your manual sales processes. When it comes to lead scoring, Salesflare makes things super easy by allowing you to set up automated scoring that works in the background while you focus on the important tasks. This automation is perfect for sales teams looking to prioritize high-value leads and maximize their conversion rates. You'll want to get started by customizing your lead scoring settings. Salesflare uses different factors like email engagement, meeting activity, and website visits to help rank your leads. This way, you won't have to manually sift through each contact. The system will do the heavy lifting for you. To set it up, simply go to your settings in Salesflare, click on the lead scoring section, and start adjusting the factors that are most relevant to your sales process. Now let's talk about the power of automation. Once your lead scoring criteria are set, Salesflare starts tracking interactions automatically. If a lead opens an email or visits your website multiple times, it will increase their score. The more engaged the lead is, the higher their score will be. This gives you a clear indication of which leads are most likely to convert, so you can focus your efforts where it matters most. But here's where Salesflare really shines. It integrates seamlessly with your email, calendar, and social media platforms. So if a lead is engaging with your content across these channels, Salesflare will keep track of that and update their score in real time. No manual data entry is required, which means you can make smarter, faster decisions. One of the best parts about automating your lead scoring is that it's always running in the background. You won't need to spend time analyzing each lead manually. Salesflare will sort and score them for you based on the criteria you've set. Plus, you can always adjust the scoring system later if you need to tweak it as your business evolves. Now, if you're new to Salesflare, don't worry. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with lead scoring. The interface is simple, and setting everything up is pretty intuitive. But if you want to maximize the potential of the software and get the best out of it, I've got a little bonus for you. Click the first link below for an exclusive extended free trial of Salesflare. It's a great way to experience all these features without any commitment. Remember, automating lead scoring with Salesflare is all about giving your team more time to focus on closing deals and less time on manual data tracking. It's the perfect solution for any sales team looking to boost productivity and improve their results. If you've enjoyed this breakdown and want to explore more, feel free to check out the free trial and get started today. Thanks for watching and happy selling.